Hello everyone, today's video is about the things I don't like about my 22 WRX. I got this car about like a year ago and I have a little bit over 12,000 miles on it. And since I got this car, I had issues with the infotainment system. It used to freeze a lot. And I took it to the dealer and I told them that it's freeze, especially when I use maps. I tried different apps, but they all gave me the same problem. And they told me there was a software update. So after the update, it worked for a little bit over 3 months. But now all the problems start happening again, but not as bad as before. It's freeze, but not too bad. But I can't really trust it. So I feel like you pay extra for the bigger screen and it doesn't work as it should. So that's a little bit annoying. A lot of times actually I have to use my phone, look at my phone screen. I don't plug it in because I don't really trust it. It might freeze anytime on you, so Subaru needs to do something about it. I'm not sure if there's another software update, but I can't really trust it. I missed so many exits, I was late many times, so Subaru needs to fix this problem. Another problem with the interior of this car is the driver's seat, especially when it's raining like today. This driver's side seat makes a lot of squeaking noise and rattling. It feels like there's like a loose bolt or something makes a lot of noise. So I'm not sure what's the problem, and I know a lot of my friends, they have the same problem. I'm not sure if my phone can catch it or my GoPro can catch the problem. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Yeah, so it makes a lot of squeaking. Even the seat belt itself, it makes a lot of noises, like a plastic rattling, especially on the highway. It's very annoying. I took it to the dealer, of course, and they told me, oh, there's nothing wrong with it, so don't worry about it and stuff. But I'm gonna take it again. I want to record it on video and make sure they can hear everything I hear. And another problem with the car is the driver's side window. So when I drive my car, I like to open it halfway, but unfortunately the window itself like shakes and stuff, so it makes a lot of noises. So I have to keep it either fully open or like completely closed, so that's very annoying. Another problem with the car is actually it's one of the main problems, so it's the brakes. They feel really weak and they make a lot of dust, so it's very hard to keep the wheels clean. And one of my friends, he painted the wheels white and he regrets so bad. He said he has to clean the wheels every day, otherwise they turn to black like in a week. So I'm not sure if the quality is not that good or we need like a different brand, but definitely I need like a bigger, stronger brakes. Another problem with the car is the drone noise, especially on a cold start. It's very obnoxious, very loud in the morning. So even with the stock exhaust, it used to be very annoying. You feel like you are revving it to 6,000 RPMs. I'm not sure why they make it so loud. So it's really, I don't like to bother my neighbors. So it got louder after I put the axle back. So I hardly drive my car in the morning. I don't like to bother my neighbors, but it's very loud. No one complained so far, but I'm not sure why Subaru, they tuned the car to be too loud, extremely loud on a cold start. I'm not sure if that they did it on purpose to make the engine warm up fast, but it's very annoying. They should like tune it and stuff to make it less noisy. So actually I wasn't prepared for this video, so those are the main things came to my head this time. Probably I should make another video like explaining all the stuff I don't really like, but overall I love this car, enjoy driving it, especially when I go with my friends cruising and stuff. So I don't regret buying this car, but Subaru need to work on those main problems. It's not only me, I know a lot of my friends, they have exact same problem. yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.